Okay, so let's review the price action for Bitcoin. So we do have here the monthly chart, then we have the weekly chart right here, and then we have daily and the 15 minutes. So let's analyze this in the higher time frame first. Let me maximize this cell right here and open it a little bit. So I do have a, a Fibonacci retracement, or actually the extension. The retracements were here to the 50% from this low on March all the way through through this high in April, right? The Bitcoin went all the way up, came back down, almost hit the 38.2%, but it stayed in the above the 50 or just below in this in June, and then July, it started to move back again. So what we're seeing here is a total retracement from the from this high, and the expectation is actually that it's going to move or continue the trend, right? It's right about the 65,520, and we're waiting for Bitcoin to pass it here. It is probably that stay around this area and then move up. Who knows? But the idea is that is going to move up and break the resistance. So we have here the weekly. The weekly gives us kind of like a similar story, right? So I do have in the weeklies, I do have this extension replicated from the other one, came back down, touched this ascending channel, and well, this is where I painted the channel actually. So I put this. There was a triple top here, a triple bottom here. Again, so you can see that made a low, went up to the 61.8%, and then came back down, and then crossed the 10 days the 10-week moving average, and then cross the 30-week moving average. Will go up, down, and then in the last 3 weeks, so this is this week here, and then kept moving up, and so the trend is up. So when I said that it could come down, it could come down, and next week, who knows, and then but most likely it's going to continue this channel to the upside. So let's go to the daily. In the daily, we see that Friday was a good move, broke this resistance right here, and then it tried to it's going to try to break this resistance at 65,520. So everything looks good, and if we paint now, let me do this real quick. So I'm gonna put no there. What I'm gonna do is to paint a fib retracement in between this high here, which is the most recent one, and this low, to see what's going on, to see what happens here. And then so see, it's going to, the idea is that it's going to, the 200 is right in this area of the 65,520, and then if it kept moving up, then the next target is going to be 74,127. So that's Bitcoin, and that would be it. You see in the after hours before the weekend. So this is 4:45. Already moved up a little bit. So 63,180 is where it closed. Okay.